Hello everyone, welcome back to mathematics class. Today we are going to continue our previous topic. In the last meeting, we have learned about function, and today we are going to learn about constructing linear expressions. If you have your book with you, please open page 26. There. Sometimes you need to express the sentence into mathematical way or mathematical form. So in here, you can write an algebraic expression by using a letter to represent an unknown number. The letter is called the variable. So if you don't know the exact value of the number, so you may let it as a letter, or a variable. We can say it as a variable. For example, let n be represent a mystery number. So you can choose any of the letter from A to Z, but here in the example they choose N. You write the number that is 5 more than the mystery number. 5 more than, it means addition, more than. So it's addition. So it's a 5 more than the mystery number. It can be written as n plus 5. The mystery number is n. So n more than is plus 5 is 5. They said it's 5. Or we can write it as 5 more than 5 plus or more than the mystery number. The mystery number is n. Since it's addition, you may change the position of n and 5. You write the number that is 3 times the mystery number as 3 times is a multiplication and n. So it's 3 times n because the mystery number is n. Okay, so it's 3 times n, or you can simplify it into 3n. Remember, if it's a multiplication, you multiply a number by a letter, so the multiplication sign couldn't be written, so it's 3n. You write the mystery number multiplied by itself. If it's multiplied by itself, so it's n times itself, n. So it's n times n, or you may simply write as n squared. N plus 5, the first one, and the second one, the 3n or 3 times n, are called the linear expression because the variable is only multiplied by a number. Because the variable, the power of variable is 1. So it's a linear expression. How if n squared? This is not a linear expression because the variable is being multiplied by itself, or the power of the n is more than 1. Can be 2, 3, 4, 5. It's not the linear expression. So linear expression, the power of n should be 1. Okay, now let's see the work example. Tyler thinks of a number x. So the mystery number is already given, it's x. Write down an expression for the number Tyler gets when he subtracts 5 from the number. So it's x minus 5 because subtract 5 from the number. So you should write x in front because it's from. So it's x minus 5. Subtract 5 from x. So x should be in front of negative 5. And then the second one doubles the number and adds 3. So doubles means times 2. So it's you multiply the number first because the number is x. So it's 2x. And then at the end you add 3. So you add 3. So it's plus 3. So it's 2x plus 3. Multiply x by 2, then add 3. 2x plus 3. Divides the number by 3. So you divide the x by 3 and adds 2. So it's x divided by 3. You may use a fraction form. So x over 3 plus 2. Okay. and then adds 2 to the number. So you add 2 to the number first, right? You may write it as, okay, it's, since the number is x, so it's x plus 2. You add the number by 2, and then multiplies by 4 times 4. And in algebra, if you multiply something, yeah, or x or variable by 4, so you may put the number in front and write it without using a multiplication sign. So it's a 4 times x plus 2. This one is the simplest form. So it's the same. You may write the form like this or in the simplest form like this. It's a 4 times x plus 2. Okay. Okay, now, besides adds, doubles, subtract, divides, multiply, we have some terms to describe the operation. For example, if you have add, the word add, and then sum, and then more, and then combine, and then total. If you find one of the keywords like this, it means you have to add, or you have to add the numbers and the variables. It's addition. I'm going to erase this. Okay, so it's plus, right? So the operation will be addition. And then if you have difference, and then subtract, minus, take out, so it's subtraction. Yeah, you can subtract it, minus. And then if you have multiply, times, product, of, it means you have to multiply it, or the operation is a multiplication. If you have, oh yeah, double, triple, it means multiplication. Double, triple. Double means times 2, triple means times 3. So if you have divide, the last one, divide, divide, or share, you have to divide it. Okay, you may take the notes because it's very important to help you to find the linear expression of the sentence. Okay, after this, you will have a Kahoot activity. See you next time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.